In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create code blocks in Google Docs quickly and easily for 2025. First, you'll need to head over to your Google Drive website. If you've never been there before, you can find it by simply typing Google Drive into your favorite search engine. And it should be the top result. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the big colorful plus sign labeled Plus New. Clicking on this will give you a list of options to choose from. You'll want to select Google Docs from the dropdown. This will open up a new document for you, like a blank slate, ready for your input. In the document, you can paste your code. This could be anything from HTML, JavaScript, Python, or any other scripting or programming language you are working on. Just highlight and copy your code from your original source and paste it into the blank Google Docs page. Voila, your code is now in Google Docs. Next, let's bring in the power of extensions to help format this code better. At the top of the page, you'll see a menu bar. Look for the tab marked Extensions. Once you click on it, you'll see an option for Add-ons. Selecting Get Add-ons will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. This is a repository of powerful tools and extensions that can be added to enhance functionality. In the search bar within the marketplace, type Code Blocks. This will bring up a list of related add-ons. You want to find the one simply titled Code Blocks and click on it. At this stage, you're ready to install this add-on. There should be a button that says Install, so go ahead and click that. After clicking Install, you'll probably need to give some permissions for the add-on to work properly. You'll see a pop-up and you'll need to click Continue. A new window will prompt you to select your Google account. Choose the email you use to access Google Docs. Once your email is selected, you'll need to click on Continue again. Another permissions window might appear. Here, you must click Allow to enable the add-on to function. It will now be integrated into your Google Docs system. When the installation process is finished, click on Done. Now that you've installed the add-on, you'll want to return to your document. Click on Extensions again from the top menu in Google Docs. This time, you'll find an option for code blocks under the list. Click on Start to activate the extension within your document. Now all that's left is to highlight your code, the text you want to format properly. As you do so, watch for a preview button to appear. Clicking this will render a preview of your highlighted text, showcasing how it will look with the formatting applied to differentiate it from standard text. And with that, you have successfully transformed your regular text into well-formatted code blocks within Google Docs, perfect for sharing or documentation purposes.